Alright guys, so we are going to start to solve the problem regarding section 1.1, some problems. Problem number 1, it's about filling in the blank. 1 degree, written 1 degree represent blank of a complete rotation. Well, when you know that one rotation corresponds to 360 degree, it's pretty easy to say that 1 degree written 1 degree like this represents 1/360th of a complete rotation. Alright. That's for the problem number 1. Let's take a look at the problem number 6. Problem number 6. What do we have? 1 minute, written 1 minute is blank of a degree. Well, 1 degree corresponds to 60 minutes. So 1 minute corresponds how many degree? Well, I'm going to use the property saying that basically I multiply the diagonal 1 by 1, the 1 multiplied by 1, and I divide by the last one, which is 60. And so the problem number 6, it's 160, 1/60. 1 minute written 1 minute is 1/60th of a degree. 1 minute is 1/60th of a degree. Alright guys, so now let's try to continue to work on these problems and find the measure of a complement and supplement of an angle with the given measure. So let's try to do problem number 16. On this problem number 16, we need to find the complement of the angle theta equal 10 degree, and B, we will have to find the supplement of the angle theta equal 10 degree. So let's try to figure it out how to find the complement of the angle equal 10 degree. Well, to find the complement, you are going to subtract the measure of the angle from 90 degree. So you're going to take 90 degree minus your angle theta, so minus 10 degree, and you find 80 degree, and 80 degree is your complement angle. Okay, so to find a complement angle, you take 90 degree minus the value of your angle, and you end up to have the complement angle. Now, for the supplement angle, on the other hand, what I want to do is subtract the measure of the angle from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 10, and I end up to have 170 degree. 170 degree. That's what we call the supplement angle. And for that, we just did 180 minus theta. Now, let's try to solve the problem number 21. On the problem number 21, what do we have? We're having an angle theta equal 20 degree. Oh, my battery is running low. 20 degree. 10 minutes. Oops. 10 minutes and 30 seconds. So, for the complement angle, what I need to do, and I need to subtract 90 degree minus 20 degree, 10 minutes, and 30 seconds. So what I want to do is change 90 degree into 89 degree. $60 minutes and 0 seconds. And if I wanted to do again, what I would do is I would take 89. So let me rewrite that. I'm going to write 90 minus 20, 10, and 30 second degree. I'm changing 89, 60 minus 20, 10, 30 degree minute, second. And now I just need to understand that I'm going to take 1 minute of the 60 and transform this 1 minute into 60 seconds. Therefore, now I can subtract easily 20 degree, 10 minutes, and 30 seconds. Well, let me erase that and take my ruler. I got a ruler, it's for a reason. And therefore, I end up to have 30 seconds, 49 minutes, and 69 degree. Now regarding so that was the complementary angle. Now if I want to look at the supplement angle, what I'm going to do is 180 minus 20 degree, 10 minutes, 30 seconds. Now you will completely understand what I need to do basically is I want to write that in terms of 179 degree, 59 minutes and 60 seconds minus 20 degree, 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Therefore, I end up to have as an answer 30 seconds, 49 and 159 degree. And this is the supplementary angle. All right, so now let's try to solve the problem number 30. On the problem number 30, what do we have? On the problem number 30, we have find the measure of each marked angle, find also the measure of supplementary angle with 6x minus 4 and 8x minus 12. So if we have a supplementary angle, basically it means that 180 degree equal 6x minus 4 plus 8x minus 12. Because I have a plus right here, I don't pay attention in terms of putting my parentheses. I don't need to put my parentheses. If I had a minus, I would have to add parentheses. So therefore, I end up to have 180 degree equal 14x minus 16. I'm going to add 16 both sides. Then that gives me 196 equal 14x. And obviously to find x, I need to divide by both sides by 14. And I end up to have x equal. So x equal 14. Now that I know x equals 14, I can substitute 6x minus 4 is going to be 6 multiplied by 14 minus 4. And that gives me 80 degrees. And 8x minus 12 is going to be 8 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 14 minus 12. And the answer is going to be 100 degrees. Okay? Pretty easy. All right, let's try to solve the problem number 42. So in this problem number 42, what do we have? We have 110 degrees and 25 minutes plus 32 degrees and 55 minutes. If I add, 5 by 5 is going to be 10, 5 plus 2 equals 7, plus 1, 8, 2, 3 and 1, 4, 142 degrees and 80 minutes. But I know that 1 degree equals 60 minutes. So if I look at 80 minutes, it's equal to 80 minutes is equal to 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, which is 1 degree and 20 minutes. Therefore, my answer is going to be 143 degrees and 20 minutes. All right, let's try to do the problem number 50. Number 50. So problem number 50, we got 90 degrees minus, and minus what? Minus 36 degrees, 18 minutes, and 47 seconds. I'm going to transform that into 89 degrees. Instead to put 60 minutes, I'm going to use 59 minutes, and the minute is going to be 60 seconds. And minus 36 degrees, 18 minutes, 47. And now, 7 to 10, it's 0. It's 0. Goodness. It is a 3. 5 to 6, it's going to be 1. And then 8 to 9, 1, 1 to 5, 4, 9 minus 6, 3, 8 minus 3, 5. The answer is going to be 53 degrees, 41 minutes, 13 seconds for the problem number 50. Okay, so I got 2 more minutes. I will do a second set for other problem, and thank you very much.